Hello everyone, I will show you how to manage supplier list on BigSeller in this video. Firstly, I will show you how to add a supplier. You can go to Purchase, Supplier List. You can click here to add a new supplier. Here you need to enter the basic information and the contact information. The supplier name is the required information. For example, a supplier. Here you can enter the supplier website. You can enter the product link. Next is company address. For example, next is contacts. Here you can select a settlement method, including to pay, instant pay, installment, weekly paid, monthly paid, and payment period. You can select one. Next is the contact information, including phone number, email, and note. Also, you can enter the supplier note. After entering the information, you can click here to submit. Here you can see this supplier has been added on BigSeller successfully. Here you can filter the supplier list according to the settlement method. Also, you can search the supplier according to the supplier name, contacts, or the phone number. Here you can click here to edit the supplier. For example, if your supplier added the phone number, you can edit here. Then click Submit to update it. You can click here to delete the note or edit the note. Then click Save it. If you do not need this supplier, you can click here to delete it directly. Then click Confirm. Okay guys, it is all about the supplier list management on BigSeller. Please contact our support team if you have any other questions.